I love to live a healthy, active lifestyle, and I try my best to do three things during every trip.
Eat at least one new healthy dish from the city, try a new skincare product or wellness product from the city, and integrate mindfulness into physical activity by doing a long mindful walk in a new park, beach, forest, or neighborhood with greenery. One of the signature dishes of French cuisine is escargot. Escargot is the French word for snail, and it is a great source of protein. Escargot contains a lot of vitamin E, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids, and these nutrients are great for reducing inflammation and enhancing heart health.
I highly recommend burgundy snails, and I recommend Le Petit Bistro. Le Petit Bistro was a very cute and cozy restaurant in Paris. The restaurant team at Le Petit Bistro was very nice. I had my first fully French conversation with a native speaker from France there. It was slightly terrifying. I didn't have Google Translate with me, and I had to recall everything I've learned from my past French classes at that moment. It was scary, but the conversation ended up being very pleasant. The restaurant team was so nice to me. I got to learn what the green sauce in the escargot was from them. The green sauce consisted of parsley, butter, and garlic. It was so good and decadent. I highly recommend burgundy snails. As a skincare enthusiast, I went on a mission to look for this cult classic product from France. It wasn't very hard for me to find it though, because I found it in almost every French pharmacy I've visited in France. This product is A313, and it's ultimately a retinol product. In the skincare world, retinols are known to be the gold standard. Retinols can help with exfoliating the skin well, it can help with removing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, it can help with fading acne scars and removing post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. I've used it for about 4 months, and I've definitely noticed a positive effect on my skin. I've noticed how my skin has looked more plump, and it has helped to remove a lot of my old acne scars. On a side note, if you ever have a pimple, please do not squeeze it. I was in Paris in summer 2024, and A313 at that time was around 10 euros. I didn't need a prescription to pick up A313. I did notice how the A313 packaging did have a label that states how it's not very safe for pregnant women. To be safe, it's best to consult with the doctor before starting any new retinol products. If you can use retinol products, I highly recommend A313.
Paris has recently introduced the concept of the 15-minute city. The 15-minute city is an urban planning approach that ensures that essential places in a city can be reached by a 15-minute walk or bike ride. The current mayor of Paris, Anne Hidalgo, has implemented the 15-minute city approach before the 2024 Olympics. Paris is one of the most walkable cities in the world, and it is one of the best places to do mindful walking.